Firepower Money team on top of the latest today. PG&E already has 91 felonies on its rap sheet. And today, Shasta County prosecutors charged the public utility with 4 counts of manslaughter, accusing PG&E of killing 4 people in last year's Zogg Fire, which was started by one of its power lines. And ABC 10's Brandon Ritteman has a story from Redding.
11 felony charges and 20 misdemeanors against PG&E filed here in Shasta County. Those charges include 4 homicides. They are felony involuntary manslaughter charges, the same charge that PG&E faced back in the 2018 Camp Fire. And for the families of the 4 people who died here in Shasta County, this day is about more than one thing.
It is justice, like you said, of course. Someone needs to be held accountable. And yeah, no family should have to go through this. No little girl and mother should have to face what they faced.
That's Zach McLeod. His wife and 8-year-old daughter both died in the Zogg Fire trying to run for their lives. Their pickup truck ran off of the road and into the burning forest. 2 of their neighbors died in other parts of the small community of Igo. At a press conference announcing the criminal charges against PG&E, District Attorney Stephanie Bridget said PG&E absolutely should have prevented this wildfire from happening. She says PG&E marked an unsafe tree that had fire damage from a previous fire years ago and was leaning in the direction of PG&E's power line. No one ever followed up to cut the tree down.
If you've got a known hazard that sits for 2 years, it's just not an accident. They knew it was there, they left it, they didn't remove it, and people died.
The charges filed today are against the PG&E Corporation, the same thing we saw after the Camp Fire in Butte County. That means that no one would go to prison if found guilty, but the DA here in Shasta County made it very clear their investigation isn't over. They have 2 more years on the statute of limitation to press felony charges against people, and it's something they're going to try to do. So it is not out of the question that before this is all done, someone from PG&E could end up wearing handcuffs. We're going to have more on that coming up at 6:30, as well as a deeper look at the evidence in the case.
And PG&E says it will fight the charges. CEO Patty Poppe released a pre-recorded video today in which she said, quote, failing to prevent this fire is not a crime. Join us at 6:30 for a deeper look at that and watch Brandon's investigations right now at firepowermoney.com.